it's Michelle from Fireside Weekenders. Today we're going to be showing you how to swap out a factory door lock for this aftermarket one by Latch.it. Also stick around to the end of the video to see how you can win this door lock for free and receive a promo code on all Latch.it products. We recommend this lock for many reasons, but security being the biggest one. There are very few keys in the RV business, meaning that there's a good chance that your campground neighbor can unlock your door. As well as, the upper lock uses a master key that all RV dealers have, which means they are pretty easy to come by. This is why it's extremely important to replace your locks with a system like this. Latch.it is an American-owned business who takes a lot of pride in their products. The first thing that impressed us about this lock was the heavyweight construction. It's made of metal and comes with a lifetime warranty. You also have the option of a white or chrome lock. We ordered the black, so this will be the giveaway color the winner will receive. This kit comes with mounting hardware and different length screws. It also comes with 4 keys. And if you need to order multiple door locks for a larger RV, Latch.it will make sure they are all keyed alike. Latch.it sent this door lock to us so we could show you how easy it was to do this modification. We already have their keyless door lock system, so we're going to be giving one of these away to you for free. We'll go ahead and link that install video for the keyless door lock above and in the description below. To be entered to win this door lock, just 3 simple steps. Like us on Facebook or Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and comment below with the hashtag Latch.it. Ricardo and I will pick a winner on Sunday, January 17th at 7 p.m. Good luck, and we'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. As a thank you, Latch.it is offering our viewers 20% off all of their products. Make sure to add the promo code FIRESIDE at checkout to receive your discount.